All right.
All right. With Fiatjaf.
No introductions. Is this supposed to be a 5-minute video? So,
Gotcha. No introductions. Let's go.
so the first thing, yeah, your tmux screen, it has one Bitcoin node, one Lightning node prepared to be. Oh, you have to open channels on the Lightning node. So this will take a lot more than I expected. Uh, we should have opened the channels before the recording. Uh, your you can start running the Lightning node.
All right. So does that mean I just click enter on this?
Yes.
Okay. All right. I'm running, and it said the Bitcoin backend dies. All right. How's this demo going?
Not going very well. Oh, you have to pass the RPC user. Are you seeing my screen? RPC user equals X and RPC password.
What kind of magic crap are you writing on
No.
your screen? It looks like crazy stuff to me. All right. So wait. So I need to modify.
The Bitcoin backend died? No, it did not die.
I wasn't paying attention. The password and the username are what
X.
for both?
Yeah, it's better now. Oh no, it's broken. Password.
I feel like anyone who's watching
See?
this, I'm like not even listening to anything you're saying, so that's my excuse. It
So
says
is there
it says account wallet not found, adding along with new balance. Okay, that's an info. That's not
yeah,
an
yeah.
error.
Now you go to the wallet tab,
All right, let's
and you
find
get
it.
a new address.
I have to click around till I see it.
There was one that says new address.
New address. Okay, bam. I got a Betch 32.
Go get some coins on the Signet, and then you do the copying.
Uh,
Yeah.
how? And then what's the hotkey to copy?
There's no hotkey.
Yeah, are you serious?
There's no hotkey.
Yeah, are you serious?
There's no hotkey.
Yeah, are you serious?
There's no hotkey.
Fiatjaf. And what's the hotkey? Yeah, are you serious?
There's no hotkey.
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 I know. I was thinking the same thing.
No. Oh, Control B. Oh, it's tmux, right? Stop trying to copy and paste.
I kind of wish we weren't using tmux now. I mean, it is kind of cool. Like honestly, like setting up a tmux and Docker and then having everything pre ready. I mean, it is like I like the theory. So I have it on my clipboard now. I have my address on my clipboard.
Yeah. Yeah, but I have some big Signet coins here. Let me get them. The Signet faucet's broken. Nice. Signet miners are lazy. mempool.space/Signet. There's an explorer there for you.
Should I open it up for the thousands and millions of people watching this recording? Should I open it up for them?
Your IP is 54 1
Bro, don't
5
dox
2
me,
8
dude. Don't dox me, bro.
209.
Why are you doxing me? Don't
That's not your
don't
IP.
dox
That's the
me.
IP of the server you're using.
Don't dox me, bro. All right, I got it up. Everyone, just ignore this IP. This is a very sensitive IP right here, dude. This Explorer. I'm not gonna lie. This Explorer is something that looks like I would make. Like this is complete ass. It literally just has the word Explorer.
No, it's very good.
It's like it's complete ass.
It's very good.
It's like what is this?
I'm not seeing it on your
What are you
screen.
talking about? It's right here. Wait, I'm screen sharing with
Okay.
you, right?
Is it readable? Can anyone understand what's
No,
going on there?
no one understands anything about what's going on. But here's the people understand colors and graphs and stuff. So, dude, we could have saved 12% by using Taproot. Look at that.
No one's going to watch this. It's already too big. It should have been ending right now.
You know, it's going to be funny if people think like we recorded this like 3 times and this was the best one.
Well, at least the 4 people that are watching, they're having fun. So let me explain. Let me explain for the audience. What's going to happen there is you start this node. It will connect to my computer, and you fetch the blocks. and it will verify if these blocks they are tested on the Bitcoin chain, which is Signet. And this is done using any pre-vault. I guess I don't have to explain. So everybody knows this already. So just start it.
What's the name of your chain that I'm connecting to?
This
Is it called BBM? BMM?
BMM is blind merge mining.
Oh, now it's at 7. What does that mean? It's looking for the 7th
Yeah,
transaction?
the transactions that they are ordered on the Bitcoin chain. One transaction always spanned from the previous one, and you always know
Okay.
like the next one is a transaction that we will spend from the previous.
So there's no like pegging system. Like I can't peg in, peg
There's no
out.
peg in, there's no peg out. The original space chain design
So
has a peg in, but no peg out. But
right.
this variation doesn't. Um,
So so what is this for then? If it's not for money,
well,
is this
this
for
one
Nostr?
specifically, yeah, the biggest thing I think you can do is names, domain names, and so on. But this one specifically is
Domain names.
just a very dummy NFT chain. You create assets and you can change
Gotcha.
assets, send assets back and forth, and they have nothing. They're just numbers.
Open to the world. Anyone can connect me. Even you at home can connect to me right now on port 90. Was it 9060 so 3 or something?
No. You have to open the Lightning port. I forgot
Oh well,
about that.
then I need to kill
Oh,
Docker.
the
Yeah, your
Docker will
Docker command only wasn't opening it.
not.
That means I got to start over. You may start over. Hey, how about this? Now that we've done it, you wanna record. Now that we
No.
okay, it's just a one and done.
Next video we'll do a
All
transaction.
right, on the next time, well, thank you for tuning in to Fiatjaf and Tidwell's Blocktime. This is a Blocktime podcast that Joff didn't know he was joining this podcast. This is block because everyone does this. This is block number 785,881.
No. You should say the number of the block on Signet. That's much more classy.
And also, because everyone's so
No,
interested in the Signet block height, we are on block 139,090. Because I know you're very interested in Bitcoin Signet that has any priv out enabled. Any final words, Joff, before we conclude this podcast? That I didn't know was a podcast till just now.
No,
All right. Well, thank you. And
I think it's
and
so sad.
did you have a good time on Blocktime?
No.